The Give Login widget lets you put a login field where users can put personal information and access their profile. This widget is very similar to the Give Registration widget in terms of options for customization, just that it serves for a different purpose. This one also has a by default interface provided by the widget and you can't change that. However, you can add redirect link for the button and a whole style tab to change the form's appearance. If you have seen the tutorial video of Give Registration widget, then you can skip this part because they are quite similar. However, there are only color options, border, padding and typography involved, so you can get the whole idea without me narrating them. That's it. Please like and subscribe to get more updates. Thanks for watching.